If you are interested what happened after a player in Roblox press button, pay some the product or pass, who get this money, how distribute it, and everything behind the skin, or you're a professional investor looking for a new area. This is a perfect video. This is a game proposal, something behind the skin, game acquisition, real possibility to invest into this game. You can contact me and maybe partnership with game owners and probably sign a purchase agreement. And of course I will try to share the story of this game if it is possible by authors, if they agree, who bought it and how much they earned from this game. You will see all numbers, you will see everything that's possible. And in this video you can watch what is behind the skin, whoever you are, investor, participant of Roblox development, or a player, or maybe you're just interested what is going on here. Welcome. This is a game proposal for a Hop Obby game, both games. Let's make a brief overview of these games. Anybody can make a purchase. In theory, they can buy this game. Could you please, could you please show gameplay and how it works so people understand that this is a real.
Yeah, so this is the group, verified group, of course. So this is the wall hop hobby. So it's all the different hobbies, the different difficulties. There's of course a shop where you can buy ads.
Yeah, thanks. I think it is enough for guys watching us. They understand that this game kind of on maintenance stage. And could you please go to metrics of this game? How long this game in the market?
Released, you can see it has 14.5 million visits. It was created, so development started in March, and it was released sometime around April.
All right, got it. So it is already in home recommendations. It is already something that we can understood what is the tunnel of CCU or active users there. Could you please show metrics of overview metrics of this game?
This is the overview. Of course, it's not doing very well right now because it's been a while since sponsors. But 92 concurrent users is the average session time by place, amount of daily active users, average playtime, and all. And then if we go to the acquisition, you can see it still has lots of home recommendations. All the overview is over here. So this is the average revenue per paying. This is the conversion rate right now. And playtime, retention for day 1, and day 7 retention, and the qualified victory.
All right. So for Obis, it is usual that game metrics a bit down when they are after release, so the metrics going down. And do you remember metrics on the start?
Sure. So if we look at the retention over time, you can see that it was way up at the start. It was way above the benchmark. Then the benchmark was adjusted over here and it fell down around July. But before July, it was way above the average benchmark.
All right, got it. So it is a standard story for Obis when at the start the metrics are much better, and not only Obis in general.
Yeah.
All right, could we take
Same go for all.
Yeah, got it. By the way, could we take a look at the charts of monetization?
Over the last 365 days, from just game passes and developer products, this is how much it made. I should go into a more detailed breakdown. So monetization, this is the overview for the last 72 hours. This is how much it made 365 days. You can see it was released 31st of March. The conversion rate was very good, it was high.
Yeah, I do remember that we calculated. Could you briefly say how much this game made the previous month?
How much it made in dollars?
Yeah, in dollars. Yeah, briefly calculate. We did it already, but yeah, I think that it would be very interesting.
Yeah. So if we look at the last 28 days, so this is about $200 approximately
All right.
for the last month. It's down a lot, as you can see, but yeah, this is how much it's making. No updates or anything. Then it also made some from creator rewards in the last month. So this is another $100, and it also made some from engagement payouts, which is another about $30 or so. So in total, it made about $330.
Could you please show the overall monetization chart? Because in the past
For the last,
this game made more money. Yeah.
yes, of course. So it made much more money earlier in the earlier months, and now it's much lower.
If a development team voted gonna make updates, they might upgrade revenue a lot in theory, right?
Yeah, and if a little bit of ads sponsors were run, so originally this game only about $200 was spent on advertisement,
All right.
and it got the game to making about $3,000 in total.
It's
So
not
the
bad.
return on investment opportunity is very, very high.
Yeah, got it. And let's briefly take a look at the next game. Uh, First of
Yeah,
all, overview, and then I think acquisition and monetization. It is better to skip to the charts right now, right away.
okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So
okay.
these are the charts overview for the second game. The stats are much better, as you can see. So this is the average playtime, retention for day
Yeah.
1, day 7, conversion rate, average revenue, and the qualified click-through rate. It's at 74 users right now. For this one as well, the stats were much better earlier. Like you can see, they were higher. They were always in the benchmark, but now they've gotten lower. They aren't so much in.
Yeah, got it.
And here, like
If
cut
a
off a
team
little bit.
make cool updates, then it might increase metrics, right?
Yeah, of course, definitely. So the game was released around here, June 11th, and then you can see very little ads were run, under $200 again,
All right.
and then it skyrocketed very high, lots of players, and now it still has some home recommendations, so it can still be on the algorithm.
How much in general this game made last month?
Last 28 days, this game from passes and developer products, this is about $75. Then it made more from creator rewards. So this is about $70. So 145 so far. And this is about $15, $16. So about 160
All
to
right.
$165 for the last month.
All right, great. So I want to everyone to understand what is the proposal for both games last month. How much they made, if we calculate.
Both games in total from
Yeah,
last month.
yeah, yeah.
So it was about 330 plus 160. That's about $490 in the last month
All
for
right, all
these
right.
games.
Evaluation for this game, if it's based on the previous month, about 10 or 11 months, because we have offer for
Yes.
5,250, right? USD.
Yeah, it is. So if we look at the last month, then the proposition would be about 10 to 11 months.
Okay, 10 to 11 months.
But of course, the games have generated much more revenue in the past, not
Yeah.
in the last month.
Yeah, so I think that it might be an interesting. Usually, investors they are looking for evaluation of a few months. Of course, they love such deals, and on the growing stage. But this stage might be a good fit for an experienced team in growing. That they could make with cool updates like previous data. It is possible, of course. Nobody can say exactly right now, but this is possible, and evaluation that we calculated by the previous month, the last month, it was much lower than in the past months. So I think it might be an interesting
Yes, exactly.
proposal for studios can make good game management, and yeah, probably they can earn a lot of.
Yeah, exactly. So they can definitely come back and make a very good return on the investment.